Assalamu alaikum. My name is Inamuddin from the largest refugee camp of Bangladesh. Today I stand here in front of the world to express something about the future of the Rohingya. It is very regretful to say about the future of the Rohingya. It is because if we cast a look at their life, we see how the life of the Rohingyas have been changed, how their situations have been deteriorated, and how much challenges they are confronting in these 5 years. And all these cases are due to the less understanding within us that arise from the feebleness of education. So, in accordance of their current life, it is very difficult to see a better and peaceful life in the future of the Rohingya. However, regarding to the upcoming generations, I would like to say something. Every nation, every ethnic, every community expect a betterment of their future, hoping on the future generations. Because they are the hope of tomorrow, and they have the capabilities to change and to brighten the community. Consequently, to become a developed and peaceful nation, a better generation is important. And to become a better generation, education is imperative. Education strengthens the generations, and generations strengthen the community. Moreover, I am so sorry for our younger generations who are dying with the hunger of education, who are depriving of the right of education and ruining their life. After that, so many youth of today in our community have their dream and want to do something better for the community. But finally, they lost their dream and changed their thought and the directions of their life, as they do not get any chance to pursue higher education and to fulfill their dreams. Such golden life are destroyed in our community. Who are the future? Who are the light? Who are the strong power and the wall of the community? So my question is, why the world cannot give us the right of education? Why the world wants us to be blind? Why our community leaders are silent in this case? Like food, like clothes, like shelter, like medical treatment, education is also a vital thing for us. Food, clothes only satisfy the hunger of our physical body, but not the hunger of our mind. Some community teachers instituted schools and classes in the camp for formal education, and many children are studying there. But they are not satisfied with that. They are disappointed because they have dreams also like other children. They want to use, they want to show their talent. Hence, after completing their study in the camp, they don't think that they can study higher education and can fulfill their dreams, as they do not see any opportunity yet in the camp. So our lives are full of pain and aspiration. If today we don't make this younger generation energetic, if we don't enlighten them, if we don't open their vision today, tomorrow we will forget ourselves that we are human beings. At that time, no one will be needed to annihilate us. We will annihilate ourselves to our race. For these reasons, I entreat the world. Though you don't save the Rohingya race, save the human race. Though you don't provide us the right of education, don't make us blind. Though you don't save our younger generations, save us from annihilating ourselves to our race. Thank you.